love this portrait hack. It's so much fun to do with kids or on your own or in a classroom. So save it and share it. If you have any educator friends, they're gonna love it too. We've had people from all over the world send us their little exhibitions from their art classes and their self-portraits using the portrait technique. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask them down below and say paint to get our free drawing hack tips guide, and we will send it your way. We cannot wait for you to experience this empowering way to learn to draw. It's so much fun, and follow along for more tips and hacks just like this. Thank you so much for being here. You've got to try this. It's so fun to do with kids or on your own or in a classroom. It's our drawing hack. All you need is a printout, some oil pastel, and a sketching pencil, and you can sketch right over top of your underpainting, which is just a mix of watercolors and acrylics. You can say paint below to get our new free art tips guides for this drawing hack with the material list and everything you need. So we cannot wait for you to try this out, and make sure you send anything that you create our way. We cannot wait to see what you create. When coming in with your colored pencils, make sure, and I say this all the time, pay attention to your line sensitivity, which means how hard you're pressing on your medium, because you want to put pressure on the dark areas and the lines that you'd like to come forward a bit more, and then let up on areas that you're just kind of hinting at, and then fall back. It'll just make a better quality drawing. You can also try cross-hatching and mark making in a really subtle way, or you can come in and use the side of your tool for those shaded areas. Missing a line here where her ear is. There we go. The face is made up of planes and surfaces, and value and shading. A good exercise to learn how to draw a face and figure out value and shading is to draw a balloon with a light pointed at it, or an egg with one directional lighting. And that will help you wrap your brain around how to draw kind of a head-shaped object. It's not the most thrilling exercise, but it will help. What a beautiful home.